I don't want my picture taken.
Hi, sir. What is all about?
Okay, so unfortunately we can't have you out here taking photos.
Photo shoot, I'm ready.
Oh, you're not allowed to film in the airport.
What's the issue with taking pictures? It's not permitted at the airport. Part of the airport
It's
policy?
part of a law we have on the books here.
Okay, I'm
in
not aware of
Nevada.
that.
Welcome to Las Vegas. This is episode 2 on our massive cross-country road trip from the Coachella Valley in California all the way to our hometown of Amagansett, New York, and then down to the Florida Keys. And today we're in the Las Vegas airport. Take some photos, take some video here, and see what kind of interesting stuff we can see in the Las Vegas airport.
You making out there, Watchmen?
What's up?
What's happening? Welcome to Las Vegas.
Yeah,
Ready to take a walk?
let's check it out.
Let's do it. Gambling machines.
Hi.
Look.
What you doing?
What?
What you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah. You
Take some
didn't-
pictures, take
Oh,
some
just
video.
of the machines?
Oh, whatever I can see.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
As long as it wasn't with us, I don't want my picture taken. That's why I was asking.
Well, your picture's being taken now.
I hope not.
No. I mean, I wasn't taking your picture until you walked up, but how you doing, Frank?
Oh, good.
Good. So just take some
No,
pictures.
we
of the
don't mind the
airport.
machines and that.
Yeah, just whatever's going on.
Cool.
Well, you're looking good. You're looking all right today.
Oh, God, please. This bag old gut of mine.
Yeah, well, let's not go there. Have a good day, boss.
Have a good one.
Reid Calvin Meeker. Please report to the Metropolitan at the CNX security checkpoint to identify and
So, condemn. Layas na nga ako. Hi, sir. What is all about? Why you didn't tell me? What is all about? Oh, really? I should wear my thing. Oh, yeah. How are you, sir? Oo nga, layas na nga ako. Mabait yan.
We don't get these. How's it going? Who do I work for?
Yeah.
Myself?
Oh, you're not allowed to film in the airport.
Not allowed to film in the airport?
Correct.
Sure you are.
Okay.
What do you mean?
339-354.
Nobody. We're just taking pictures, checking out the airport. I don't know. You're saying you're not allowed to take pictures in the airport. No, not me, no.
Nice camera.
Oh, appreciate it.
How are we doing?
Hello?
Guys, you just have to be authorized to film at the airport.
I'm sorry?
You have to be authorized to film at the
I
airport.
have to be authorized to
Yep.
film in the airport? Why is
Yep.
that?
Rules?
Authorized to film
Yes,
in the
sir.
airport?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes.
I just got here probably 20 minutes ago and I've seen 100 people taking pictures. What do you mean?
Hold on.
I don't even know what that means. Can I just ask your name so I know who told me?
Yeah, hold on. My boss is coming. He'll come right over.
Your name is, hold on, my boss is coming? You just gave me a directive and I just find out.
Yeah, my name's Donna.
Okay, Donna, thank you. It's not difficult.
Okay.
Why are you guys so cheery? Like, smile, man. Relax. You guys are all right.
I've been here since 3:30 this morning, so.
That's a life choice, right? No reason to take it out on me.
Got it, you, sir.
Okay.
Las Vegas is down.
Sure.
What? Who are you waiting on? Oh, we're not those people. Oh. Appreciate you. Have a good flight. Not that there's anything wrong with those people. Figured we were paparazzi, I guess. I don't know. People that no way in life.
Like the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard. I didn't even know what to say when she said that. They literally have like stuff in here to pose with and take pictures and signs and all kinds of stuff, and she's gonna tell you can't take pictures in the airport.
Photo shoot. I'm ready. No.
He's ready. He's ready.
He was born ready. Thank you, sir. Hello.
Hi, my name's Joe. I'm
How you
with
doing,
the
Joe?
Public Affairs and Marketing team here.
Okay.
I see you gentlemen are out here filming.
Yes, sir.
May I ask what for?
Just looking for some creative shots. And
Sure. So, are you with an outlet?
No.
Okay. Then, what is this project for?
Just for myself.
Okay, so unfortunately, we can't have you out here taking photos. It's not an area that we allow photography without any kind of prior clearance.
What's not it?
Sorry?
I don't understand.
So, if we have media coming out, we have a process. If it's for commercial filming, we have a process.
Okay.
But I can't have you guys just out here
If it's
taking
just a
photos.
father and son taking pictures.
No, I know, but there's a lot of different areas of lease spacing and operational impacts. So, unfortunately, can't have you guys.
Spacing, you have to speak English. I don't
Okay.
understand what that means.
So, some of this property belongs to the airport, some of it doesn't. Some of it is leased by these businesses. We have operations that are occurring
no, and
here.
and
Sure.
I don't know if you've noticed what I'm doing, but didn't cross into your TSA.
No, I understand. So-
and I'm not going into any of the private business.
That's fine. So what you can do is, if you'd like to be in baggage claim, you can take some photos in there, and otherwise we can't have
There's
you.
nothing interesting in baggage
Okay,
claim.
but I can't have you out here taking photos.
Can you show me where that's in the policy?
Take a photo to identify and reflect your property.
I don't have it on me, but we do have a process for people coming out and taking photography.
If they're media, professional, commercial.
Yes, but still,
That's not what I'm doing.
okay, but still can't have you out here taking photos.
I don't. Well, if you show me, I'd be happy to take a look at whatever you have. But I mean, anybody could just walk up and tell me I'm not allowed to wear a burgundy shirt here.
Sure, but
I don't
We-
believe that to be the case.
we have a process for people coming in and taking photography.
I have been here for maybe half an hour,
Okay.
and I've seen 100 people taking pictures
Okay.
and video.
But I'm telling you, with this kind of equipment for this kind of thing, we have a process
This
in
kind
place
of what?
with having big cameras out. And
So what is it about? Is it about the big cameras or is it about the private business?
no, it's our policy of having people coming out and taking
Right,
photos
that's
in
why
the
I asked
airport.
you.
Yeah.
May I please see the policy? And if your policy states that, I'd be happy to abide by that.
Wait here.
Possible. This is interesting.
Wow. Saying all that in front of the prop that they have set up there to take pictures in front of.
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, that static display right there is set up for people to take photographs.
Man, I watch you guys on YouTube all the time.
I appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much, man.
Man, I'm
Thank
here
you.
at work. I didn't think I was gonna run into you guys.
Yeah, we're all over the
I
place.
was like,
man.
oh shit.
What's your
that's
first name?
them. Ray.
Ray, pleasure to meet you, Ray.
Nice to meet you, man.
Appreciate you, brother.
You guys
Meet
keep
you.
going strong, man.
Thank
This
you.
is a
Thank you.
public place. Don't let them tell you it's not.
They're gonna
Yeah.
try to, but we'll work it out with them.
Yeah, I know how it is.
Yeah, man. I appreciate your smile, bro.
Thanks.
Thank you guys. You guys keep making America great, like a good place, you know?
Thank you, man.
Hey, much love, man.
You do the
Appreciate
same.
it.
Thank you, Chris.
So it's amazing. They're trying to tell us you can't take pictures in the airport. I mean, what about all the paparazzi? What
Don't push for it. We gotta walk. We gotta go.
What about all the other people on YouTube who have made videos about this airport? What about the props they have set up for you to take pictures with in the airport? I don't know what the deal is.
Hey, where are you guys filming?
Oh, just taking a video of the airport.
Oh, cool.
No, you're good. Go ahead.
Sir.
Hey guys.
Yes.
Hey, I'm Scott Shire. I'm the
How you doing,
Director
Scott?
of Security.
Nice to meet you. My name's Jason.
Nice to meet you, Jason.
Pleasure to meet you.
And
Ben.
you?
Nice to meet you.
What can I ask what you guys are doing?
Oh, we're just getting some. We're first time in the airport here in Vegas.
Okay.
So we're just getting some pictures.
Are you flying out
I'm not.
today?
No, we're staying here in Vegas.
Okay. So we actually require a permit to do videoing. Do you have a permit with
You
us?
require a permit to take
That is
video in the
correct.
airport?
Yes.
I've been here for a half an hour. I've seen 100 people taking pictures, video.
Oh,
You actually have a
we're
static
here.
display down here to take pictures.
Do you have your camera on?
I do.
Can you turn it on, please?
Oh, I don't think I want to turn it off right now, being confronted by a whole bunch of
I wouldn't.
this.
I wouldn't want you to video
What's
me.
the issue with taking pictures?
It's not permitted at the airport. If you don't have business at the airport,
Is that like part of the
It's
airport policy?
part of a law we have on the books here.
Okay, I'm
in
not aware of
Nevada.
that.
So you have to have bona fide purposes to be here at the airport, flying out, coming in, etc.
Okay.
If you don't, you're not permitted to be in the airport. Okay.
Is that like airport policy or is that Nevada state law?
It's
I'm just trying
Nevada
to
revised
educate-
statutes.
It is?
Yes. It's called public conduct airport rules.
Public content, I'm completely unaware of that.
Okay. Well,
So
most
you
people
have-
aren't, so we're telling you now.
So you have to have official business
Correct.
to be in the airport.
That's correct.
I've been in so many airports across the country.
We
I've
just have
never
a
heard
lot
of
of
that
people
before.
who love to loiter in the airport, and
Well, I don't.
I'm not saying you're doing that, but again, you have to have a bona fide purpose to be here at the airport.
Can I just ask for my education what Nevada revised statute that
I
is?
don't have the numbers. I'll find it. Can you give me the NRS for airport rules, please? You can read it you want, but at the end of the day,
Yeah, no, if that's
you-
if that's the law, I want to follow
okay,
the law.
but we don't have to show you actual documentation. I'm
No,
a law
I'm just-
enforcement
no, no,
officer.
I'm not,
telling
I'm
you.
not demanding anything from you.
Okay.
I'm having a cordial
Okay,
conversation.
once I show you this, are you going to leave?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah,
This officer's
100%.
going to show it to you.
Okay. Sure. May I? Is that okay? Can I
look at it.
Can I take a look?
It's not my
I'm an old man. My glasses, you know. No person shall use abusive, insulting, obscene language. Something just came up on the screen, blocking. So no person use abusive, insulting, obscene, loud, boisterous, insolent, person. All right, not that. No person shall singly or associate with others by their conduct or congregation seek to obstruct, delay, or unreasonable. All right, not doing that. No person shall remain in or on any area, place, or facility at an airport unless such person has a bona fide purpose for being in such area, place, facility directly related to the normal and regular use of such. So that's the paragraph that you're referencing. Correct. Okay. That's the deal. That's the deal. So how do I get a permit? Is that something I go to City Hall for? Or?
No, you can go on the website.
Okay. Well, this
Harry
is a
Reid.
big response for some guys taking pictures.
You can go on the website, and there should be a link there
On the airport's
to
website.
do a permit. Yep.
Okay. And
All right.
can a father and son that are just not professional get a permit, or is it restricted to commercial?
I don't approve them, so you would have to apply and contact with our public affairs, and they would determine what your purpose is, what you're doing,
Okay.
so forth and
And do
so
you have
on.
a business card just so I know who I
I
spoke to?
do not.
I'm sorry, your name was Scott?
Scott Shire.
Okay.
Here.
Very good. I wish you guys would smile a little bit more. I'm not giving you a hard time. Right?
Where are you guys parked at?
Where am I parked at? Man, I'm going to leave the airport now. You have a good day, brother.
You as well.
Thank you. I appreciate it. And can I just get your name and badge number so I know who to put on the complaint there?
Yeah.
Your attitude's unbelievable.
I've been nothing
Ronald
but courteous to you.
Horny? That's your last name, Horny?
Yeah.
Horny? I couldn't see the end of it. Horny.
Very funny.
I really didn't see
Here's
the
my
end of it.
badge number, 8407.
Thank you very
guys
much.
have a good day.
I appreciate it. Thanks for the smiles and good wishes and everything. Thank you. I appreciate that. Names and badge numbers?
Pardon me, sir?
Can I get names and badge numbers just so I know who's here?
Officer G. Citroen, P number 6846.
Okay.
New Jefferson 9385.
Thank you, sir.
O'Connell 15087.
Thank you, sir.
Nathan 15073.
Thank you, sir.
House Park 1001.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you, gentlemen. Have a good day.
You too.
Wow. Can't take pictures at the airport.
Wow, amazing.
Amazing. That's remarkable.
Well, all right, guys, you saw how that went at the Las Vegas airport. Unfortunately, we got thrown out for taking pictures of the airport. As unbelievable as that is, I guess these things happen when you're a photographer, when you're out taking pictures, taking video. You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. This was stop number 2 on our big road trip all across America, so Like I said, we started off in the Coachella Valley. Today we're in Vegas. We're headed to our hometown of Amagansett, New York, and then we're going down to the Florida Keys. So stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed, have notifications turned on and all that. And like I said, let me know what you think in the comments. I don't think it's right that you would get thrown out of an airport for taking photos. My dad, Amagansett Press, his father used to take him to the airport in New York when he was a kid and take pictures of the planes and stuff like that. So not sure what the big deal is about taking pictures in an airport. Nobody at the airport really seemed like they minded either except the staff. So nothing you can really do about it, guys. But stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be out filming again tomorrow. And got a whole trip coming up. So appreciate all you guys for watching. And stay tuned. Watching the Watchmen, out.